not fluent as like told you, as you are talking in English. I am not that much pro, so I do not want to say anything.
It's the topic of controversy because you always say that you cannot speak globally, but you can speak.
Just, no. Actually, if we practice daily in daily basis, then we can be fluent as much as possible. But as we don't try every day, that's why we don't. That's why I am not fluent in English, and I have some basic grammatical mistake. I make
I
that.
think you know the grammar is one of my favorite parts of myself, so I did also
Let's say
I've learned from
you have time from me.
yeah, because when I went to a hospital first time, I was not able to speak English, but when I met you, like you were a fluent speaker, and sometimes you send some status in English text, so I become very much influential, and I think that I can do it.
Oh, okay. Now, what should I say? That student is better than the teacher. Actually, what you have said some time ago, that you have learned from me, and now I don't know English properly as you are. What should I say? As you.
What should I say?
And what?
Every time I think, what should I say to you? I don't know what to say. But you
Actually,
always think that you can't speak, but you are a very good fluent speaker. So
But not really, because once I was interested in English, but nowadays I am not as much as interested. But so it's kind of, what should I say? This is a very basic line of me, that what should I say? What should I say?
even I try to copy that line from you, that what should I say?
What should I say?
I like to say the line. Actually, whenever you have told me that I have participated in a program like English, like you have said something or make a speech in English in your class 8. So I think that in my class 8 I was nothing, but I don't know how to speak, and even I cannot read a line properly in English text.
No, this is a very light.
This is true. Yeah.
So that's mean you have improved yourself very much.
Yeah, I have improved, but this time I don't know why I am become like that. But
No. You were very good in English and the other also subjects, because you are
Not
you are
so
the
much.
you are the topper of your batch.
I was, but now I am not.
Yeah, you in college, you also in the first year, you in the first year or first sem or second sem. First sem you have topped.
Second sem, I have messed up everything. I don't know why. But percentage was not bad, but it was comparatively it was bad.
Percentage.
Don't want to say in the video. That's my personal information. So it's better not to
She
say.
got something 80 above 80, no?
Yeah, maybe.
And we are below 80.
But in this semester, I will be. I don't know what will happen.
And for the third sem, now we are reading.
I just wish you please don't make any kind of discussion about our academics life, because it will
Okay.
do nothing. It's nothing. But today in the morning,
Bunu,
we are sharing our
Bunu,
thoughts.
vlog e আসতে চাইবি? Come. আরেকটা কই? Do you wanna come in our vlog?
Hello guys.
What should? Do you want to say anything? Nothing.
We have open photo shoot. You can say.
We just came for photo shoot. Not
We are-
for done.
Not for run, actually. From the last past to this, that we are coming. We are coming in Sagur, at Sagurdigi. What should I say? At maybe Sagurdigi for morning walk.
Exercise, but we are just doing nothing.
Nothing, just except
Doing time pass.
we are doing our first vlog.
Maybe one day we will be able to make our vlogs. But that's not the matter.
Yes.
This is not our motto of life.
But as we
Make
influence
for
from some influencer and the friends that we should also become vlogger.
Yeah, like them.
Everyone is vlogging.
Everyone is vlogger, so we are also.
What not we do? We can do it.
Hi kor. Hi. Bye.
Bye.
Let's end our vlog for today, and that's.
If we come tomorrow, then
If we come tomorrow, then we will make another vlog. Probably. Let's end here the topic.
We are going to make 30-day challenge.
30-day challenge. Yes.
It's
That's
day 3.
Day 3. And day 3 and it's our first vlog. Can you please hold the camera so I can post? Hey, we are the senior and they are the junior. That's all.
We don't look like junior.
What kind of seniors we are? Please say.
No.
Please
We
say
don't
what kind of senior we are.
If you have something, if you don't visible, we help. We help you.
We are good senior. That's all. Tada, bye bye.
কেন মেঘ আসে হৃদয় আকাশে কেন মেঘ আসে হৃদয়